Hey, what's up guys? It's Matt, and I wanted to make this video. I wanted to show you what, if you buy Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 for the PlayStation 5, again, not a new flight simulator. This has been out for probably about a year now, and all of these different aircraft are what you have the option of purchasing with the different editions. So you've got the Aviator Edition, you've got the Standard Edition, the Deluxe Edition, and the Premium Deluxe Edition. I think, I don't have the prices in front of me, but I think they're around, like $80 or something, $79 for Standard, $99 for Deluxe, $129 for the Premium Deluxe, and then the Aviator Edition is, I think, $199. And you'll get everything that's included, of course, with the lower levels there. So I'll probably get the Premium Deluxe. I've already discussed that in my previous video. If you didn't see that one, go click on that. I'm not going to go through each of these, but I'll leave a link to where you can see this. And I would just say go through here, figure out which one you want to fly. And if it happens to be, like myself, if it happens to be in the Premium Deluxe version, really the only one that I cared that much about was the CH-47 Chinook, Delta Chinook model here, which is pretty cool. But since the Cirrus aircraft is in there, the PC-24, you know, the Airbus H225, I'll fly these two. I'm not big into the heavy metal or the airliners. Not a huge deal, but I'll also get what comes in the Deluxe. I really didn't care that much about these ones, but you know, if you want the Cessna 172 with the steam gauges and the 530-430, you're going to have to hit the Deluxe upgrade there. Pretty much everything else, you guys are probably going to be able to find it over here, down in the Standard Edition. Pretty much a whole suite of Cessna's aircraft come with this, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Helicopters, hot air balloons, old aircraft, new aircraft, just everything that you could think of. The Robinson R66 is down here. Yeah, just lots of great options here. I'm not going to go through each of them, but go check this out. I'll leave a link down in the description or in the comments. Go scope that out and pick whichever one you think is best for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it down in the comments. Let me know what aircraft it is that you want to get Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. And let me know if you're going to get it on PlayStation 5. Let me know. I'm not sure what the multiplayer servers are going to look like yet, but I look forward to having this on PlayStation 5 and maybe even having the option to be able to fly with you guys at some point if they have common servers. All right, take care, and I will catch up with you guys in a new video. See ya. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our Home Flight Simulator Resource Guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need. You'll know exactly what software to pick up so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.